What is up, my colorful beauties? On today's look's gonna be this beautiful cut crease look with nude type of lips. Today's look really inspired me by Irma Serrano. In case you guys don't know who she is, there she is, right here. Yeah, behind this little story actually that made me want to do this video, it's because my mom and my tia, like back in the day when I lived in Denver, they would always talk crap about me. Like when I first started wearing makeup, like back in 7th grade, like they'd be like, mira, iba Irma Serrano. And I'd be like, who the fuck is that? Now I know why. Because this bitch used to do her eyeliner all the way up here. Thinking she could cut people off in 7th grade. She didn't. Psych. Anyways, yeah, behind my little story about it, this video, like literally it cracks me up because I can't believe my mom and my tia would always call me Irma Serrano. Like, they're so rude. Like, did they not think about a childhood's feelings or felines? It's like, I never used to get hurt, but I would just be cracking up because they would always like tell me that I look like a clown when I first started wearing makeup, but I don't care and I still wore it. And look where it got me. Nowhere. It's like, anyways, if you guys want to achieve this look, keep on watching. Alrighty, let's start with the base. We're gonna start with the Shirt Tape by Tarte. I like to go in with a fluffy brush to like spread it out. I just feel like it sets in very well and you get it all over the place. Yeah, just it's your preference, to be honest. I like to do it with the brush. Before I used to do it with my fingers, so what's up, fight me, psych. Guys, this is totally optional, but I am putting tape so my lines come out very straight and snatched. Like I said, optional. I have to put eye drops on my ojitos because they're so sensitive. Now I'm going to be setting my eyelids with the e.l.f. contour palette. I'm going to use the lightest shade, of course. I'm just going to set that because, you know, I got some weird eyes. Like, they crease a lot. So it's a need for me. Okay, so we're going to grab the shade Peachy King in the 35M Boss Mood palette. We're going to grab a small blending brush and blending that all over the crease. That's going to be our transition shade. Okay, in the same palette, we're going to grab that black shade, the Black Magic shade. And we're going to grab another blending brush. Kind of small, I mean, but I don't know how to describe it. Yeah, kind of small, but not too big. Not too fluffy either. We want to keep that black all in the same spot. In the crease, in the outer eye, the outer V area. Yeah, just keep on blending those colors. It's going to start looking so cute. Okay, we're going to grab again that Peachy King shade. And we're going to go over that, over the black, so it kind of like transitions well. We can see the brown a little bit. We want to make it look smoked out, like legit smoked out. Let's take more of that Black Magic shade. Obviously, we're trying to work these colors out. You don't want to look like you got a black eye or anything like that. You want to slay it when you get out of your house, out of the hotel, anywhere you're at, home girl. Let's get ready to cut the crease. I am using the Revolution brand in the shade C9. Take your time, take your favorite concealer brush, because obviously this takes time, especially if you want your lines to go very straight and not crooked. Yeah, just take your time when you're doing this. It doesn't matter how long it takes you, but make sure those lines look nice and great and crisp. Grab a flat brush. We're going to be packing all over the lid with Light of the Party in the same palette. In the same palette, we're gonna go in with that shade Hot Stuff on the outer corner of our eyes. We're gonna hit that all over that so we could blend in with the Black Magic and the Peachy Keen shade. Grab another flat brush. We're gonna go in with the shade Bright Eyes, blend that over with the Hot Stuff shade and the Black Magic shade so it transitions well. Me, like always, I have to be going back and touching up like usual. I just like to touch up just because obviously you can't go wrong with going back and touching up. That's all I gotta say. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the NYX matte eyeliner. I still have the tape on my eyes, so I guess I'll go based off of that. But yes, I love this eyeliner. I know my cousin, she recommended it to me and I've been using it since. She told me, like, I think it was like 4 years ago, but it's a bomb eyeliner. I suggest you guys get them because that eyeliner is so cute, and it's a matte eyeliner. I love matte eyeliners. Let's start with the beat down. Alright, so I am going to be going in with the LA Girl color corrector shade. It's like an orange shade. I'm going to put it all in my ojeras porque no me quiero mirar ojerona, me quiero mirar como un bebé. So yes, let's blend that out real quickly, guys. Alright, let's get ready to put my two favorite foundations, the Lancome in shade 270, Loreal shade 500. I like to mix these two foundations up, then apply with a brush. I like to do my face, half of my face first, and then the other half. I don't know why, I'm just so weird, but that's how I put on my foundation. I don't like to rush my foundation. Like I said, I feel like if you rush your foundation, it just looks really bad. It looks textured and you want to look flawless and you don't want to look like you have texture all over your face. Bitch, I am really cleaning my lips with the wipe because I'm trying to moisturize my crusty little lips. Of course, I am going in with my favorite concealer, a Revolution C9. Freaking bomb. I suggest you guys get it. I mean, I still love my Shirt Tape concealer, but I just use those on my lids because, you know, a girl be cheap. Gotta save my Shirt Tape for my eyelids. I'm gonna let my concealer set for a little bit. I'm using my cream contour that I make, the Stilla in the shade Dark and then the Loreal in 500. I like to mix those two together. That makes my cream contour. Yeah. I like using my darker foundation for cream contour, I guess. I like to baby bake under my eyes. I'm using the Bennye translucent powder. I don't like to just slam all the bake on there because also I feel like if you put a lot on there, I feel like your face will get texture. On my skin, personally, that's not what I like to do. I just like to baby bake. I will go on a full-on bake when I do my cheeks because no me quiero mirar cachetona. Well, I'm letting my face cook for a minute. I'm gonna go in with the shade Peachy Keen under my eyes. We're gonna smoke that out just a bit. We're going in with the NYX white liquid eyeliner. We're gonna make that one little line. I know Irma Serrano was known for like doing her crazy eyeliners. She's very cray. Alright, let's dust all this bake out. We don't need that no more. Going in with Light of the Party. I think it's called Light of the Party. Light of the Party. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm gonna use that as my highlighting shade. So I'm gonna I usually do it on top of my brows, the cheeks, my forehead. Never going with blush, but I am going in the brand Motto, I think, and the shade is called Peach Bellini. I've never heard of this brand, but I got it on my Ipsy bag, so a while back ago. Taking the number 47 lashes from ifullash, and I'm gonna put those on. I really like these lashes because they're hella cheap. Like I said, when I went in Denver, I hella stocked up on those ones because yeah, you can literally wear them and throw them away because they're only $1. Alrighty, so now we're putting mascara on my baby little lashes. Don't think I didn't put them on my top lashes, but I just didn't want to show that because obviously that's kind of like a routine, a major routine you have to do before you put on falsies. For lips, we're gonna go in with Beauty Glaze. I'm using Candy K and Exposed. I'm using the Exposed one in the middle part. I already put the Candy K all over my lips, I guess. Then we're gonna set the face, of course. Gotta set your beat down. And that concludes the final look of Irma Serrano. I hope you guys enjoyed my little mini story time. Like and subscribe. See you guys next time.